Time series modeling and forecasting for Indonesian coffee export. Abstract: this paper to build a time series forecasting model for data of Indonesian coffee export from 1976 until 2019. The method used in this research is the Box-Jenkins method. The autocore TOR as the value for the parameter that maximizes the likelihood function. If equals 1, 2, represents a random sample from, then the likelihood function is. Laschen function, ACF, and the partial autocorrelation function, PACF, are used for stationary test and model identification. LJINC box Q statistics are used for diagnostic test, whereas to show the accuracy model are used root mean squared error, RMSE, mean absolute error, MAE, and mean absolute percentage error, MAPE. Keywords: ARIMA model, coffee export, forecasting, Box-Jenkins method. The maximum likelihood estimator, that is a value of. Introduction: the autocorrelation between YT and K is defined as. Indonesia is one of the largest coffee exporting countries in the world, and the demand for coffee exports to increase every year. In order for this demand to be fulfilled, it is var YT var YTK necessary to forecast the demand coffee in the future. One of the tools for forecasting is the time series model forecasting. Damped exponential and slash or sine functions after lag, QP. Dominated by damped exponential and slash or sine function after lag, PQ. Diagnostics checking aims to conclude whether the forecasting model which obtained is adequate. The way is to test the assumption of residual independence between lags. If the residual is with noise, then the model is adequate. The hypothesis is 0, 1 == 0 vs 1, 0, and tested with LJINC box Q statistic. Construction of forecasting model: the graph of the original data in figure 1 shows an increasing trend, and the ACF plot in figure 2 shows a slow decline. This indicates that the time series data is not stationary. Furthermore, the construction of forecasting model consists of identification of model, estimation of parameter, diagnostic test, and accuracy of model. Based the ACF plot in figure 4 and the PACF plot in figure 5, they are interrupted after lag 1, then the possible models for data are ARMA, 1, 0, ARMA, 0, 1, or ARMA, 1, 1, or ARIMA, 1, 1, 0, ARMA, 0, 1, 1, or ARMA, 1, 1, 1, for data. Results of estimation of parameters use likelihood maximum method presented in the table 2 below. The results of diagnostic test in the table 3 above concluded that all models were adequate. Results: the accuracy of the model use RMSE, MAE, and MAPE presented in the table 4 below. Conclusion: time series data of Indonesian coffee export from 1976 until 2019 is not stationary, but stationary for one level difference data, so that the data analyzed is the difference of one level and the results are returned to the original data. Based on calculations and analysis of data, it is concluded that the most suitable model is the ARIMA, 1, 1, 1.